Peanuts, which are actually a legume rather than a tree nut, are consumed around the world and used in different recipes or simply consumed raw. They are very nutritious and are a great source of healthy fats while also providing many health benefits. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming peanuts regularly. First, as mentioned previously, peanuts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients and are considered to be very nutrient dense. Peanuts are an amazing source of manganese, niacin, folate, vitamin E, magnesium, and phosphorus, to name only a few. They are also packed with antioxidants, dietary fiber, and healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Not only are peanuts loaded with antioxidants, which rival some of the richest antioxidant fruits, but they also contain unique plant compounds. To get the most antioxidants, it is best to consume peanuts with the skin still on. Peanuts contain unique and powerful antioxidants such as resveratrol, phytic acid, and phytosterols, among others. Peanuts are also very heart healthy and can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. They contain many heart healthy nutrients, including magnesium and niacin. The potent antioxidants, especially resveratrol, is also helpful in this regard, since they can help to eliminate free radicals and oxidative stress that can damage the cardiovascular system. The healthy fats in peanuts and oleic acid are also helpful in this regard. For those individuals who are more prone to gallstones, then peanut consumption can certainly help. Studies have shown that consuming peanuts has been linked to lower risks of developing gallstones. This is often attributed to the unique compounds found in peanuts and their potent plant compounds. Lastly, perhaps surprising to some, but consuming peanuts can help to promote the health and look of our skin. This is because peanuts contain important nutrients that are needed to keep the skin healthy and even looking more young, such as vitamin E, zinc, and magnesium. The many antioxidants we have already discussed can also help to improve skin health and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.